To fix the Apple Pay service's currently unavailable issue, start by checking your internet connection, as a stable connection is required for Apple Pay to work. Ensure your device is connected to a Wi-Fi network or has a strong cellular signal. Next, verify that your Apple Pay account is set up correctly by going to the Wallet app on your device. Check that your credit or debit card is added and that the card information is up to date. Make sure the card is valid and has not expired. If your account is set up correctly, restart your device, as this can often resolve connectivity issues. Press and hold the sleep-wake button until the slide to power off option appears. Then slide to power off. Wait for a few seconds and press the sleep-wake button again to turn your device back on. Check for any software updates, as an outdated operating system can cause issues with Apple Pay. Go to the Settings app, then General, and select Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it. If you are still experiencing issues, try removing and re-adding your credit or debit card from the Wallet app. Go to the Wallet app, select the card, and tap the More Options button. Select Remove Card and confirm. Then, go back to the Wallet app and tap the plus sign to add the card again. Additionally, ensure that your device is compatible with Apple Pay and that the service is available in your region. You can check the Apple Support website for a list of compatible devices and regions where Apple Pay is available. Finally, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, contact your bank or card issuer to ensure there are no issues with your account. You can also contact Apple Support for further assistance with troubleshooting the issue.